Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to fix Payoneer verification pending problems. First, understand that verification can take a few business days. If it has been only 1 or 2 days, wait a little longer. Then, if it is taking too long, log in and check if any additional documents are required. Sometimes verification stays pending because the documents are unclear or incomplete. Then upload a clear photo of your ID. Make sure the details are visible, and then also check your email for any messages from Payoneer asking for extra information. Respond to that email if needed. Make sure your name, date of birth, and address match exactly with your documents. If everything looks correct and it is still pending for many days, contact Payoneer support. That's how to fix the Payoneer verification pending issue. Don't forget to like and